Hello everyone, welcome back to Fundrise Finance. In today's video, I wanted to show you all how much dividends I made in the month of October from my portfolio, whose current value is almost $42,000. Let's check it out. To start with my M1 Finance portfolio, whose value currently stands around $19,175, my overall return here has been down 9%, which is a negative $1,250. My all-time dividends earned in this portfolio so far has been close to $900. In the past 1 month or so, I have seen a return of more than 4%. Looking at the dividends in this portfolio for October, we see on October 3rd, $1.17 from VDE, 61 cents from VPU, $2.75 from VOO, the S&P 500 ETF, $1.47 from Coca-Cola, $1.25 from Genuine Parts, $2.22 from UGI, almost $2 from Kimberly-Clark, $1.64 from HPQ, $7.22 from JP, then $4.66 from JEPQ, $3.43 from Vici, $2.35 from Merck, $5.86 from Altria, $2.28 from Omnicom, $2.57 from Medical Properties, $2.41 from Leggett & Platt, almost a dollar from Realty Income, $3.10 from WP Carey, $1.80 from Medtronic, 76 cents from Oracle. Then we see $1.70 from Cisco, $1.81 from Comcast. Adding up the two payments from Devo, we get $2.67, $2.13 from JP Morgan, and 80 cents from Watsco. I track my investments through Google Sheets. So here what we see is for my M1 Finance portfolio. As you can see here, I currently stand at an overall gain of a negative 6.78%. So this portfolio currently provides me a yield of 4.13% with an annual income of almost $790. Now adding up all the dividends for the month of October comes down to $59.60. Here we can see my dividends growth chart showing how the dividends consistently grow quarter over quarter. Now when we look at the monthly chart, the October payment of $59.60 is almost more than $4 higher than what I was paid in the July quarter. And if I look at year over year, last October I was paid just over $27. So it's a good improvement over that. When you look at the quarterly dividends, we see here Q4 slowly stacking up. I'm sure by the time we end the year, this Q4 column for 2022 much should be higher than what it was for Q3. Looking at the annual chart, $600 for 2022, which is more than double than what I earned in 2021. So these charts really keep me motivated. It shows how slowly, when you keep investing, you reap the benefit. Now, looking at the dividend payments I'm expecting in the month of November, we see here $3.30 from Verizon, $3.48 from AT&T, $9.60 from JP, $8.75 from JetQ, almost a dollar from New Corp, the low paying Costco giving me 34 cents, Air Products $2.02, One Oak $3.50, Realty Income almost a dollar, Kinder Morgan $3.87, AbbVie $2.41, Morgan Stanley $2.07, Texas Instruments $1.78, Caterpillar $1.48, Citigroup $2.16, Arbor Realty $6.50. So when I add up all these payments expected for the month of November, it comes down to over $53. So when I compare that against my August quarter, which paid me over $50, so I'm well above that. And comparing that to November, it's almost twice that of November payment in the last year. Overall, my M1 portfolio, irrespective of what the market does, has been churning dividends regularly. Moving over to my Fidelity portfolio, whose current value is just over $18,500, giving me a yield of $3.16 with an annual income of almost $585. Now, since I moved my stash portfolio into Fidelity back in the month of July, my Fidelity portfolio, I would say, got polluted by a few non-performers like the ARK ETFs. Here we can see the ARK Finance ETF ARKF being my biggest loser of over 70%, but I have just over $100 invested into that. So it's just my play money, nothing to really bother about. So though it shows as my biggest loser, I'm not really caring about how that ETF does or not. I just left it over there in the portfolio to see how it does going forward. Looking at the October dividends from this portfolio, we have $5.30 from MGC ETF, which is the mega cap, $2.39 from Huntington Bank shares, 76 cents from ADP, $2.08 from Iron Mountain, 19 cents from International Flavors, 66 cents from Broadridge, 38 cents from JetQ, 49 cents from JP. I have one share each of JP and JPQ in this portfolio. 37 cents from Main Street, $2.27 from Best Buy, 20 cents from Chubb, $2.11 from Philip Morris, 48 cents from Amphenol, $1.19 from Mondelez, 32 cents from Horizon, $1.50 from Franklin Resources. Then we have my final payment of $3.96 from Store Capital. Store Capital went private and this was their final dividend payment. Then 33 cents from Packaging Corp, $1.83 from Federal Realty Trust, 79 cents from the monthly payer Pembina, and Main Street paid me twice in this month. So again, we see 81 cents from Main Street, $2 from American Tower, 42 cents from IDEX Corp, and finally 52 cents from QQQ. Adding up all the dividends, we see a final total of $31.23 for the month of October. Again, just like the M1 portfolio earlier, we see a nice growth structure here, going month over month. When you see the monthly chart, again, the October payment was higher than what it was in July. The numbers will get currently skewed because of my stash portfolio getting moved to Fidelity. That is why we see here the Q3 portfolio was much higher than it was in Q2. But from last quarter onwards, so you slowly see these bars evening out from here onwards. Now looking at my expected payments for the month of November from my Fidelity portfolio, I see a 46 cents from HB Fuller, 62 cents from JP, 69 cents from JetQ, 16 cents from Thor Industries, almost a dollar from General Dynamics, 30 cents from Clorox, $3.71 from Northwest Bank shares, 43 cents from ASML, $4.54 from One Line Financial, $5.45 from Omega Health, $3.12 from National Properties, 81 cents from Pembina Pipeline, that's a monthly payer, $1.06 from Hormel, $2.09 from Procter& Gamble, $1.02 from AO Smith, $1.19 from Abbott, 82 cents from Main Street, $1.21 from ORCC, 33 cents from Horizon, $2.11 from Unum Group, $1.14 from Paychex, and finally $1.44 from MSC Industrial. Overall, if I add up all this thing, I see almost $33.70 expected in the month of November. Comparing that to what it is in August, where I had $28, so almost $5 more than what it was then. It's really good to see this bump in quarter over quarter. Now, I might be repeating myself, but these charts really look amazing. They show the slow growth of your dividends. You just keep constantly investing into quality stocks, and the dividends will just keep rolling. Then finally, we have my Acorns portfolio, where I have just over $4,100 invested, and I currently am sitting on an overall loss of just over 1%. This portfolio currently yields 2.46%, providing me a dividend income of just over $100. Now, Acorns is my just set it and forget it portfolio. I never look at it other than such portfolio review videos. So just once a month, I have my constant investment of almost $25 every week. And on top of that, the roundups that take place. So I've made videos in the past regarding how Acorns works and how it is perfect for a starter portfolio for anybody who is just starting into the market. Just get on with it. That's how I started. And though now I have enough experience in investing and how to research stocks and everything, but I don't plan on foregoing this account because it just runs on your background, which is what you need in such volatile times. Mostly people tend to see market more closely and see, oh, the market is going down or high, let's stop investing or let's invest more. It's all human psychology that comes into picture, which to be frankly should not be there. So you set a fixed amount, keep investing that regularly, and you will reap the benefits. Now this portfolio is very simple. It just invests into VO, which is the S&P 500, then IJH, which is the mid cap, IJR, which is the small cap, and IXUS, which is the international. Simple, four fund portfolio. So in this portfolio, I had a dividend payment of $8.62 paid by the VOO ETF. And if you look at my annual dividends chart here, again, a nice laddered structure. I'm sure by the end of 2022, this bar should be higher than what it was last year. Overall, my portfolio yields 3.53% with an annual dividend income of almost $1,475. Looking at my income goals, which I had set in early last year, the target was for $1,500 by end of 2022. I'm just $25 short of that. I'm pretty sure by the end of this year, which is on the 2 months, my overall dividend income should reach that goal. Looking at other dividend metrics, monthly payment of $123, a weekly payment of 28.36, daily of $4, a true hourly payment of almost 17 cents from this portfolio. And if I'm looking at an 8-hour workday, almost 71 cents per hour. These are just some fun metrics to keep track of. So combining my three portfolios of M1 Finance, Fidelity, and Acorns together, overall I see $99.45 paid for the month of October. By end of this year, which basically end of Q4, I hope to see this whole bar being higher than Q3. Looking at my annual chart here for 2022 so far, I have an overall dividend payment of $1,035, which is more than double of what it was in 2021, and I still have 2 more months left. So I'm really crushing the 2021 over here. Now, these are the charts which actually keep me motivated no matter what the market does. So that's all I have in this video. Hope you really liked this display of how slowly your dividends keep on growing as long as you stay invested and follow the discipline irrespective of all the external market factors. Hope you like this one. I would really appreciate if you could hit on that like and subscribe button so that YouTube can suggest this video to many more people out there, which will help out this young channel. See you soon in the next video. Until then, let's try to do as much as possible to be financially healthy. See you. Bye.